Hi there. How would you like to dominate the search engine results page or the SERP for your local service based business? Well, stay tuned. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 3 ad placements that can really supercharge your local service based businesses. First up, we have local service ads. These are a game changer for businesses like yours. When potential customers are in your area searching for services that you offer, your ad actually appears atop of all of the search engine results. This includes essential information like your business name, reviews, and a phone number. It also makes it extremely easy for customers to get in touch with you. Local service ads are a surefire way to get noticed by locals in your area that are really in need of your services. Next on our list is traditional search ads. These are the classic paid search ads that appear atop Google's search results, and they blend seamlessly with organic listings. You have complete control over your ad's overall message, your keyword targeting, and your budget. By optimizing your ad copy and keywords, you can actually create and reach a wider local audience and drive traffic to your website. It's a proven business strategy for businesses looking to increase overall online visibility. Last but not least, we have Performance Max campaigns. These are the cutting edge campaigns that really utilizes Google's machine learning to automatically place your ads across multiple Google properties like search, YouTube, Google Display Network, and most importantly, Google Maps. This means your ad can reach as many potential customers across multiple touch points, really increasing that chance of conversion. With Performance Max, you really get the best of both worlds. You get precision targeting, maximum exposure, and the ability to really target within that map placement. So there you have it. The top 3 ad placements to really dominate the SERP for your local service business. Local service ads for really immediate local visibility and an easy way for your customers to reach you immediately. Traditional search ads for really more targeted control. And finally, Performance Max campaigns for really that broader reach. Make sure that you're choosing the right media mix to really suit your business goals and watch your local business thrive in the digital landscape with these 3 ad types. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert tips. And thanks so much for watching.